Ciao, beautiful people, and welcome to downtown Dallas, Texas. I am in my short sleeves and my shorts, and I got this cute creative director hat a few days ago when I was off in London. So yeah, I am excited to visit a new place that I don't get to come here a lot. So let's carry on walking in the city of Dallas. Ciao, beautiful people. I am just walking into this city park and it's very lovely. There is a very nice water fountain over there, and there is this little path with all these little tables. And I guess that when all those kiosks will be open, it will be very lively as well. It is very nice atmosphere. I like it a lot.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The fire burned out. The warmth has gone away. The fire burned out, darling. The warmth has gone away. You turned so cold on me, baby, and you'll miss my love someday. The fire burned out. It's fading slow indeed.
I am not sure, but I believe that it's the wind that makes the Pegasus turn. You guys, I just ended up in this square. I am not sure how to call it, but it is so fun and so good. Look, all of these sculptures, and they are actually crossing the pond or crossing the river.
It's gonna go for good. The fire burned out. Oh, it's gone for good. One day I'll open my heart again, just like I always knew I should. Oh, you know I'm free now, honey. I'm free from your chain. they're just memories. All I can do is bless your name.
Hey y'all, I just got dropped off from my Uber driver nearby location that I want to go check out for lunch. Even though I have to admit that, as you may have seen already, I had a little snack like half an hour ago. And I just saw a bookstore, Poise Books. And of course I need to get into it.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. Water grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be, let it be, let it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought went free. I don't rush,
Ciao beautiful people, I am gonna wrap up this video with this beautiful message that I found on the graffiti just behind me. Optimism starts with you. And that's such a great message that I like to take away with me on from this trip. I loved Dallas. It is an amazing city. I am a bit sad that I don't have more time, because there is definitely a couple of museums that I would love to check out and explore some more. I think Dallas has got such a unique character, and I would have loved to go and explore the Fort Worth area as well. But hey there, that's what we have for now. And as I saw earlier, gratitude stands with the things that you already have, and I am quite lucky already to have the chance to be here, explore, get to know a different part of the country, and I am thankful for having this channel and to take you along with me. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to leave a big thumb up and subscribe if it's your first time. And for now, I'll see you next time in one of my next videos. Ciao from Dallas.